everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 8th of December 2023. We had to celebrate all those children in nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB who've been just brilliant throughout this week. They've been kind, they've been helpful, they've been working so hard, and that actually is throughout this term. They've earned themselves a Golden Ticket this week. We start this morning in nursery, and the two children. This child always listens carefully to instructions during nursery, and they listen well on the carpet. They're very helpful during tidy up time, and they play kindly with others. So there it is, helpful and kind. Really well done. Well done to this child for doing so much reading at home. This child is always such a kind friend to others, and they are very helpful to others as well. Golden tickets go to, come on in, Kiki and Bella May. She'll appear in a minute with another click, I think. Here we go. There she is. Look, with a lion drawing. Yes. Well done, Kiki. Well done, Bella. What a fantastic, look at this. Look at that bit of artwork you guys are doing. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you for being so kind. Thank you for being so helpful, you superstars. Enjoy taking your golden tickets home today, you superstars. Well done. On to reception. We've got Miss Reed's class says, this person has worked hard in our carpet session and is becoming more and more excited about learning new things. She creates beautiful artwork during her choosing time and is beginning to tidy up as she goes too. She's fantastic there. Kind, helpful and tidying up. Well done too. Come on in. Oh, there she is, look. Luna Ivy. Well done, Luna. What a beautiful smile. You should be smiling. You've won the golden ticket, superstar. So really well done. Enjoy taking it home today, superstar. Well done. On to Miss McTavish says, this week, Winner is always making the right choices in the learning and his play. He's hardworking and takes his time to think about what we are learning before sharing his ideas. This person is a kind friend and plays nicely with everyone, especially in the outdoor area. Well done too. Come on in. Arthur, there he is again. Look at that great smile. Look at this pot. His clay pot is made as well. You absolute magician, you. Well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home today, superstar. Well done, Arthur. Thank you. On to Miss Ruddock says, this week's golden ticket winner is somebody who's been trying hard recently, particularly with their writing. They've been thinking carefully about the sounds they need to use in each word and making their sentences interesting, as well as using their best handwriting. They have also been putting their hand up more to answer questions when we are on the carpet. They certainly are. Golden ticket goes to, come on in. Yes, Vita, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Bit of cross stitch there. Absolutely brilliant, Vita. Well done. Always smiling, always helpful, always kind. Thank you so much. I know your sister's going to be proud of you as well. Enjoy taking it home today, superstar. Well done. On to Mr. Ackerman's this week. 1RA Golden Ticket winner has tried hard with their learning recently and it's been lovely watching them have a real go at all activities. They really have been really confidently having a go. They're a very kind and caring member of the class. They always treat others in a thoughtful and kind manner. They always try their best to make good choices and they're a good example to others. They really are. And he is really smashing it at the moment. Golden ticket goes to, come on in, Charlie. There he is. Look at that smile. Charlie, you've won the golden ticket. Keep believing in yourself, buddy. Just keep trying, keep giving things a go. So really well done. Keep it up. Fantastic. And Mrs. Cook and Mrs. Roberts saying, this child has been working so hard since beginning year 2. They're absolutely determined to produce their best work and always work so hard, especially in maths. We've just been waiting for them to read at least 5 times a week at home. And over the last month, they have been. They absolutely have. Perseverance really pays off. Now, keep it up. Do keep it up. Golden ticket goes to, come on in, Sebastian, there he is. Look at these Christmas activities as well. It was fantastic to see so many of you those as well. And well done, Sebastian, you won the golden ticket. Enjoy taking that home today, you superstar. Really well done. Keep up the reading as well though. Come on, well done. And finally this morning, Mrs. Bloom here in year 2 says, this week our golden ticket winner is always making good choices and helping others. Her writing has hugely improved and is beautifully presented. She always reads 5 times a week and has a very positive attitude towards her learning. Keep being amazing. Do indeed. Come on in. Oh, Daffy, look at that. Look at this. Look how hard you're working. Look at that on your Tudor house. Super. Won the golden ticket, you superstar. Really well done. Enjoy taking that home today. You really well deserve, you superstar. Well done. Well done. And finally in the SRB, we've got this week's winner has been working hard all term. We've noticed how great they are at explaining how things are done. From remembering recipes to explaining what to do in maths, they keep impressing us all. So remembering more, knowing more, well done. They've also been reading at home almost every day, which is fantastic, over the weekend as well. Golden ticket goes to, come on in, there he is, Lucas. Yes, Lucas got that big smile. Really great explaining, hard working, lots of reading. Keep it up. Golden ticket is yours to take home. Well done, Lucas. Really enjoyed taking it home. I know everyone in the SRB is going to be a massive cheer as well, so really well done. What a brilliant week. Brilliant effort, everyone. Absolutely brilliant. All the way through. We've only got one more week to go. And that's been an absolute fantastic week again. So let's keep it up throughout next weekend. And this weekend, let's have a little look. Look at this. Sing along to something. Why not? Look, there's lots of Christmas carols going on as well. We've got our Christmas service next week as well. Let's sing along to our tunes. Sing those at home as well. Read out loud. Everyone, parents, grandparents, wherever you are, let's read out loud. It's really lovely to read out loud to each other because we can really share those stories. And then get out of breath. Whether that's get out of breath to singing along or doing a bit of exercise, let's get out of breath because it is a bit miserable out there. So we can get out of breath whether we're outside or in. Let's have a fantastic weekend, everyone. And we'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.